Java Basics. Use brackets to override operator precedence. On screen is a table which provides information on operator precedence when brackets are involved in an expression. It must be understood that brackets are used to alter the precedence of the operations in an expression. The example for the same is as shown on the screen. The output for this program can be seen on the screen. It must also be noted that brackets clear the meaning of the expression. Coding can be understood easily with the help of brackets. Adding brackets does not affect the performance of the program negatively. Hence, it must be used whenever possible. Test equality between strings and other objects using equal to and equals. Understanding that the equals open bracket close bracket and equal to are two entirely different methods. The equals open bracket close bracket method is used to compare two strings for their equality. The syntax for equals open bracket close bracket is Boolean equals open bracket object ASTR1 close bracket. In this expression, ASTR1 is the object which is compared to the string object which is invoking this method. This expression will return the value true if both the strings contain the same order of the same character. Else, it will return false. Please note that here the comparison is case sensitive. In case you wish a non-case sensitive comparison of two strings, then you can use the method equals ignore case open bracket close bracket. Let us check the program for the same. Class equals 1D open curly bracket public static void main open bracket string arguments open close square brackets close bracket open curly bracket string A1 is equal to in double inverted commas hello world semicolon string B1 is equal to in double inverted commas bye bye semicolon string C1 is equal to in double inverted commas hello world semicolon system.out.println open bracket A1 plus in double inverted commas equals plus B1 plus in double inverted commas minus greater than plus A1 dot equals open bracket B1 close bracket semicolon system.out.println open bracket A1 plus in double inverted commas equals plus C1 plus in double inverted commas minus greater than plus A1 dot equals open bracket C1 close bracket semicolon close curly bracket and the output from this program is. Now let us see how does the method equal to work. Equal to operator helps in comparing two object references to check whether they belong to the same instance. Class equals 2D open curly bracket. This can be elaborated as shown on the screen. And the output for this program is. Now let us see why this happened. This is because though the contents of both the variables are same, string B1 is a new object created with A1 as an initializer. String A1 and string B1 are not referring to the same object and thus returns a false value.